Welcome back to Broken and Smoking. Don't fear this critter over here. I've been over here working on my drip feed waste oil heater. Hopefully getting to heat the shop this winter. I've been working on this thing here for off and on a couple of years and decided I better hurry up and finish. But my twin brother Harry here shows up. He's useless pretty much, but he's starting a YouTube channel. And he was hoping that y'all could subscribe to his channel also. So Harry, tell us about it. Sasquatch language, of course. Y'all get over there on his channel, give it a sneak peek, see what you think. He's got some content coming, and he'll appreciate you.